Hey there. So following our AI voice agent series, now we want to check how can we measure the effectiveness of our calls. So currently we have created the voice agent, set up the configuration, verified a phone number. We have done the automation of voice AI agents as well. But now how can we measure the effectiveness of these automations? So basically, that's why we created this post-call analysis feature. So for example, here I have my Daniel's assistant that's in charge of handling my agenda and making appointments for the clients that are interested in a meeting with me. So I want to know which calls have been able to schedule the agenda, but I don't want to go through all of my call logs and check out and see the behavior of my call. So I'm going to show you guys how to export or how to extract this information out of your call. So here, as its name says, post-call analysis is where we're going to configure in our assistant the data that we want to export. So for example, if I want to export the date of the schedule, I can say something like date of the schedule. For better performance and easier extraction of the data, we only allow letters without caps, and we don't allow spaces in the naming of the variables. So you specify the date of the schedule. So in case a client was able to schedule a meeting, here goes the date of the meeting. If it wasn't scheduled, leave empty. And I can give it some examples. So I can do something like GMT format date. Something like this. Let me give it a check. So I could use something like UTC format, for example, until it gives me something like this. Yeah, with UTC format, or I could use another format of dating. But since I only want to get the date here with this example, I'm going to give this one. I can give it more examples. For example, if it's a list of elements or stuff like this. And then I want to use a Boolean, which is true or false, to check if appointment booked. So here's true if true if the appointment was booked, false in case the client was not interested. And now with natural language, I have explained the data that I want to export from my call. Now I save this. Yeah, and it's important that this is not this does not have backward compatibility. As you can see, there is no structured data from the calls that I have already executed. So now I'm gonna do some test calls just to show you how you can see this extracted data in your calls. Okay, I'm back. I have finished both of the testing directly in the test call tab. And as you can see, I have two new calls here where I can see the extracted data, and it says, okay, date of schedule tomorrow at 21:00, but we're at -5, so that would be in the afternoon, which is 16, so it would be 4 p.m. here. I could change the format if I would like to see it in UTC in the format of Bogota, where I am. And here it says appointment booked true. But also, if I check the other one, the first call, you can see no date of schedule and appointment booked false. So now with this data, I can export the data of my calls. And now I can see here in the extracted data column that you can see that both of the date of schedule and the appointment booked. So as soon as you configure the post-call analysis, You're going to see the data that is extracted from your phone calls.